Imagine a heartbeat that echoes in silence, even when chaos roars around you. In the midst of life's storm, there's a calm that rises, a strength that whispers, "I will endure." Listen closely. Every crashing wave, every distant rumble is not a signal to run, but an invitation to stand tall. Your resilience is the quiet song that plays softly, yet powerfully, in your soul. It's the steady beat that guides you through uncertainty, turning turbulence into a backdrop for growth. As you breathe deeply, feel that inner peace radiate outward, soothing the chaos and lighting the path ahead. Remember, amidst noise and turmoil, your calm is unmistakable. This is the sound of resilience. Let it inspire you to find strength in every moment, no matter how wild the world may seem.